Kodak
Never.
Black
Kodak.
was arrested and charged with drug trafficking. Now, you ready for this? Police pulled the car over. They said there was one occupant in the car. The occupant was not Kodak Black. I'm going to rewind, say that again. A car got pulled over. An occupant was in the car, and the occupant was not Kodak Black. They pull the car over. They get the individual inside, get to searching them. They find out there's some drugs in the car. The drugs was the promethazine, the cough syrup. They never mentioned the person who's in the car. The person who had it, no, none of the above. Guess what? Kodak Black was charged with drug trafficking because after bringing that bottle back, they found his prints was on the coffee syrup bottle.